Hello, my dear friends. How have you been? It's getting colder and colder here in the Meadow Nook, and this is the time of year when our family especially loves spending time near the fireplace. There's something so cozy and comforting about having a fire burning nearby. Today I'm making some homemade sourdough bread and a pot of simple chicken and dumplings, one of our favorite cozy winter meals. I'm also making my own homemade bone broth, which is why I'm roasting the chicken first, because I want to make a big pot of bone broth. As I work in the kitchen, I've been reflecting on energy. Not the kind that helps us get things done, but the kind of energy we carry. The emotional tone we bring into the rooms we walk through. The kind we pass on to others in conversation and body language, presence, or the lack thereof. Lately, I have found myself overwhelmed by a few of life's challenges, and I could feel it shifting the energy I was bringing into my day. But a book I'm reading reminded me that the energy we choose to operate from often shapes the kind of day we end up having. It can be tough to choose our own energy when we wake up and hit the ground running. Especially if we are parents, there can be a lot of different energies flowing through the house on any given morning. So I've been getting up earlier again, creating space for my slow morning routine, practicing gratitude, meditating, smiling through the morning, responding more warmly to my family, and choosing to expect a good day. Little by little, these small shifts can change the whole feeling of a home. If you'd like to join me for more cozy winter cooking days, I'd love to have you here. Thanks so much for stopping by.